It was first started for the government employees some years back. Then by 2009, it was open to the corporate and the all-citizen model. Yeah, one more fact that I wanted to tell is that pension becomes more important for the unorganized sector because for the central government and the state government, it is compulsory. But if you look at the fact that more than 90% of the labor force in India comes from the unorganized sector, so that sector is what we need to target, the gig workers, the self-employed professionals. Coming back to NPS, why is it accessible? Anyone with a KYC can open an NPS account. So initially, it was meant for people above 18 and up to 70 years. But now with NPS Vatsalya, even a newborn child can have an NPS Vatsalya account, which the parents open. And at 18, on attaining maturity, it gets converted into a normal NPS account. So that's accessibility. You can open an NPS account simply by going to the NPS Trust. You have your KYC, you go to the eNPS portal, you open your NPS account with the click of a button. Or you go to a POP and your NPS account gets opened. That's how accessible it is. When it comes to democracy or the democratic nature of the NPS, it's the most cost-effective pension product across the world. The cost structure is just 0.005 to 0.009% for a subscriber, depending on the scheme that you are choosing or the sector that you're choosing. If you compare that with a mutual fund investment or any other investment option, that would be somewhere in the range of 1.5% or even higher. So if you're investing the same amount of money over a period of 30 to 40 years, you are saving that much in cost if you're investing in NPS. So there are so many other features which one can talk about. You can port your scheme. It's flexible. You can port it across any pension fund managers. Right now we have 11 of them. You can port them across various schemes. You can, depending on your appetite, risk appetite, and how much return you want, you can choose a scheme of your choice. So it's flexible, it's transparent. If you want to know how well your money is performing, you just have to go to the NPS website and you can compare the returns of pension funds and schemes across periods of time. You can calculate backwards. If you want to know how much pension you want to draw, say after 30 years, and how much you should save, subject to a certain amount of return that you would like to have or the annuity that you would want to get at retirement, you can plan, you can calculate forwards and backwards. So it's transparent, it's flexible, it's portable, it's easily accessible. And that's why I think it's a very efficient and accessible product.